I'm Alex Rivers. Welcome to NobleMind Cast. Today, I want to talk about something exciting. Many of you dream of starting your own business in the USA. You want to make money, help your family, and feel proud. But you worry, is my English good enough? Will people understand me? Let me share a quick story. 2 years ago, I had a friend from another country. He worked in a shop, but he always wanted his own small business. He felt scared because his English was simple. One day, he started a small online service. He used easy words, he smiled a lot, and people loved him. Today, his business is growing fast. That story taught me something important. You don't need perfect English to start a business. You need a good idea, a brave heart, and simple, clear words. Today, I will share the top 5 easy business ideas that are working great in the USA right now in 2026. These are perfect for beginners, and I will give you useful phrases so you can talk about them confidently. Number 1. Online English teaching or tutoring. Many people in the USA want to learn languages. You can teach from home using your phone. It is easy to start and you can earn good money. Useful phrase. Hi, I offer simple English lessons online. Would you like to try a free class? Number 2. Small food delivery or snack service. People love quick, healthy food. You can make sandwiches, sell snacks, or deliver homemade meals. Many cities in the USA need this. Useful phrase. Hello, I make fresh snacks every day. Would you like to order for your office? Number 3. Pet sitting or dog walking. Americans love their pets. You can take care of dogs while owners are at work. It is fun, active, and easy to start with almost no money. Useful phrase. Hi, I offer dog walking and pet sitting. Your dog will be happy and safe with me. Number 4. Simple cleaning service for homes or offices. Everyone needs a clean place. You can start small, just with basic tools. People pay well for good cleaning. Useful phrase. Hello, I provide honest and fast cleaning service. Can I help you with your home? Number 5. Drop shipping online shop. You sell products online without keeping stock. A customer orders, the company sends it. You keep the profit. It is perfect for beginners. Useful phrase. Hey, check my online shop. We have nice products at good prices. What do you need? Now, let's practice a short conversation. Imagine you are talking to a possible customer or partner. You. Hi, I'm starting a small business. Can I ask for your opinion? Friend. Sure. What is your idea? You. I want to offer online English lessons. Would you like to try one? Friend. That sounds good. You. Thank you. I really appreciate your support. See? Short, friendly, and clear. No long, difficult sentences. My friends, starting a business in the USA is a big dream. It can give you freedom, money, and confidence. But the real secret is to begin small, stay consistent, and use simple English with a smile. Every big success starts with one small step. You are already learning English. That's your biggest strength. Use these ideas, practice these phrases, and watch your life change. You are stronger than you think. Keep growing, keep trying, and one day you will tell your own success story. I'm Alex Rivers. This is NobleMind Cast. Subscribe and see you tomorrow. Keep growing your mind.